Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to do a quick little review of this manual gear knob here that I bought from Aliexpress, or was it eBay? I don't know, one or the other. I'll put the link below. The old one in this car was getting a bit ratty, so I thought I'll get something a bit different. And so this is what I've ended up with. And it's been really good. It's really easy to put on. It comes with a couple of different attaching points to suit different cars, but one of them just fit mine straight away, no problems, easy to install. And this is an extra, by the way, old extra. Anyway, and this part just twisted on top, and it's really tight, and it hasn't come loose, and it's been going great for a few weeks now. So I can really recommend it from that perspective. Very good build quality, no paint's come off, everything's great. Color hasn't changed, all good. So the issue with it is really my fault, I guess, is the size. So I imagined that this was going to be a lot bigger. I thought it's going to be like a sort of a tangible, larger item, and what's come is this tiny little knob. Still okay, but it's very small. It's just, and I don't have very large hands. It just fits my hand. Yeah, so look, so far so good. If you need a quick little replacement and don't want to spend too much money, this has been really good, and I guess I recommend it. Other issue I have with it is the feel in the hand, in terms of like the actual, because it's not big, there's nothing on the top, so sometimes I end up changing the gear like this, like, you know, like sort of like hand sort of does, instead of having the knob there, which is a lot easier to move, just having the, you know, something cylindrical like this, for me is not the best experience for changing gears, but it does what it does. And yeah, so just a quick little one for those of you who are looking at this particular thing on AliExpress or eBay. So if you've bought one and want to share your experience, please write it below. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I'm going to try to make more videos as we go along. Once again, bye bye everybody.